The World Health Organization has taken to Hear for Life, Listen with Care as the theme for this year's World Hearing Day. It focuses on the importance and means of hearing loss prevention through safe listening. Atlas Audio and Medical ENT Specialists, located at Adit Mall in Mbarara City, Uganda, has also taken the initiative to carry out free screening and hearing tests for the community people.
Musingu's Arnold from Kasese, working with Kasese Cobalt Company Limited on its hydropower plant, which has some good noise. I'm glad for ENT for the initiative they have brought up to teach all the people about the dangers and benefits as in hearing is concerned. I'm so glad for Atlas Audio and Medical in Mbarara, which is found in Adit Mall. We thank them so much because they have taken a good initiative consulting our company to do and to come and do this audit free of charge. We thank them so much, and everything has gone on well, and I'm glad to find that all my ears are okay. And I'm calling upon everyone who is having any problem with hearing to come at Adit Mall and also check, because you never know. You can be hit by a car, you can lose anything because of poor hearing.
Hi our viewers, as we have been talking about it in the past few series we have done, today is the culmination of our World Hearing Day commemorations and celebrations, and it's been a great series that we've had with you, talking about hearing loss, talking about causes, talking about how to protect our hearing. And these past 2 days we have had the privilege of hosting several people at our place, Atlas Audio and Medical, where we have offered screening services. We have managed to target what we call high-risk people who are at risk of noise-induced hearing loss, including carpenters, including some metal fabricators, including some of our border riders right here at our stage, including our health workers as well, because like we know, health workers are not usually very keen on seeking healthcare, so when it's available we try to get everyone in. It has been great. It has been a privilege. We've screened several people. We have handed over several reading material, and as you can see right behind us, we still have more. If you're interested, you can drop by and pick up a brochure for yourself, looking at just how do we make listening safe. I want to continue advocating our young people, our old people. Your hearing is important. If you don't take care of it in your youth, you may not have it in your old age. Otherwise, thank you so much to our partners. Thank you so much to the companies that showed up. Thank you so much to everyone who came in to commemorate the day with us. We continue to thank our partners, World Health Organization and the EAT TV, and we look forward to talking to you about several other things. Bye.